Hey, wherever you are in the world, it's Matt Roberts here from Effort Studios, Bedford, UK. I'm just here to tell you today about some brand new products that are on the market in the synth community. This is the wonderful Juno 106. Now, if you own a Juno 106 or know anything about them, you'll know these celebrated voice chips. That's an original one there. There's one that's been pulled back. Often fail, but never fear. There's a fantastic company called SynthRestore. www.synthrestore.co.uk that for just £10 completely assembled they will supply a replacement voice chip for you. Now you can also get them £5 in kit form if you want to build them yourself. That's just £5 in kit form or £10 fully built up. Now this particular machine here has all 6 SynthRestore replacement voice cards in. As you can see, it brings the thing completely to life. So if you've got a dead voice, it will bring it back to life. So, this celebrated machine. Love this machine, it's absolutely fantastic. If you've got one and you need to get it sorted, don't look any further than SynthRestore. That's www.synthrestore.co.uk, and for just £10 you can have a completely assembled voice chip for the Juno 106 synthesizer. Thank you for watching. Keep it analog. Good night.